Hello friends.
Hello sir.
What's going on?
Nothing is better.
Okay, today you have to talk about has, have, need, can, should and present indefinite. So are you ready?
Yes sir.
Okay, Sudeep, you have to start.
Hello guys. Today I am talking about what do my friends have and what don't they have. She has iron but she doesn't have gold. He has bike but he doesn't have car. He has mobile but he doesn't have charger. He has Colgate but he doesn't have brush. I have coat but I don't have bag.
And I am talking about what should my friends do, what shouldn't they do. He should drink water but he shouldn't drink wine. He should drive car but he shouldn't drive car fastly. He should grow plant but he shouldn't cut tree. He should earn money but he shouldn't waste money. I should spend time with my family but I shouldn't wander here and there.
And I am talking about what can my friends do and what can't they do. He can watch cricket but he can't play cricket. He can buy vegetable but he can't sell vegetable. He can eat food but he can't cook food. She can ride bike but she can't drive car. I can sit on the fan but I can't repair the fan. And I am talking about what do they need and what don't they need. He needs the cooler but he doesn't need fan. She needs mango but she doesn't need apple. He needs board but he doesn't need marker. He needs a door but he doesn't need curtain. I need TV but I doesn't need mobile.
Don't read.
Don't need mobile.
And I am talking about what do my friends do and what don't they do. He runs daily, but he doesn't wake up early in the morning. She worships daily, but she doesn't go to temple. He eats food, but he doesn't cook food. He plays cricket, but he doesn't play hockey. I dance very well, but I don't sing a song.